Let's unload her, no? How are you? Hey, NASCAR champ, Joey Logano here. I'm here with Matt from James River Equipment. He just dropped off this brand new John Deere 317G skid steer.
So this is kind of your smaller to mid-size compact track loader. So you got tracks, which helps you with flotation. You've got two different buckets for you.
Well, it's the perfect size for what I'm trying to do. I got a little son that really likes driving his four-wheeler, so we got to build some trails. We got a racetrack we got to maintain. I mean, I don't know, you got to build some jumps, you know, so it's, and this thing's fun. I could get a lot of stuff done. Matt at James River really hooked me up today. It's time to go have some fun. We got a lot of work to do. Thanks, James River.